some photo shoots.
I know.
Whoa. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah. Look at Jaden. Look at
Jaden's trying to get your attention, Ruby.
She's like, I'm a little afraid. Okay? Here, let's sit both of you up. You can sit up, and you can sit up. There you go. Oh, he's so sweet. Can you hold his hand? You want to sit next to him? Should we put you next to him? What do you think? He said, take your hand out of your mouth. I'm trying to hold it. Is it silly? Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, you don't touch her there, Jaden.
It's a big diaper. Yeah. She's like, what are you guys doing to me? This is a boy. This is a boy.
Oh, bleeding again.
Okay. Let me get you up here. Let me help you. Let's help both of you. I can't help both of you. There you go. You're such a big guy. Maybe we can go like a little bit closer. He's so interested in her. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Look. Maybe if I get over there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.